Hello students, today I will explain the topic nucleic acid biomolecule class 12th. Nucleic acids are the biomolecule which are responsible for the heredity or transmission of the genetic character from one parent species to the offspring. ठीक है, वन जनरेशन से अनदर जनरेशन न्यू वन जनरेशन में जो ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ जेनेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ होता है, इनहेरिटेंस कैरेक्टर होता है, वो डीएनए और आरएनए के थ्रू होता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी केम टू नो अबाउट द न्यूक्लिक एसिड. द बेसिक ऑफ न्यूक्लिक एसिड इज द सेल. ऑल द लिविंग थिंग, द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ द लिविंग थिंग इज सेल. Cell has various parts. In the cell there is a part which control the cell. It is known as nucleus. The nucleus is the wall of nucleus is made up by protein and some other component, and these some other component are known as nucleic acid. There are two type of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA means ribonucleic acid. Next, these DNA and RNA are collectively known as nucleotides because they belong to the nucleotides, and the various nucleotides are combined together and they form the polynucleotides. That is the reason that DNA and RNA are collectively known as polynucleotides biomolecule. Now we will start the structure study. Chemical composition of nucleic acid. The chemical composition of DNA and RNA means nucleic acid is composed by three particles. One is sugar, second base, and third is phosphate unit, PO4 minus 3 charge. These are the three units by which any nucleotide is composed. First is sugar. There is a sugar, pentose sugar, ribose sugar. Ribose sugar is present in DNA and RNA structure. The ribose sugar is, there are two type of ribose sugar. One is ribose and second is deoxyribose. You can see in the figure. This is the figure here. First is ribose sugar and second is deoxyribose sugar. Deoxyribose, DNA का अभी मैंने आपको नेम प्रोनाउंस किया है. डीऑक्सीराइबोज न्यूक्लिक एसिड मीन्स वो न्यूक्लिक एसिड जिसमें डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर प्रेजेंट होती है. मीन्स सेकंड वाली जो है वो डीएनए में प्रेजेंट होगी एंड राइबोज शुगर इज प्रेजेंट इन आरएनए स्ट्रक्चर. देयर इज अ फर्स्ट डिफरेंस ऑल्सो बिटवीन आरएनए एंड डीएनए. Ribose sugar is present in RNA structure while deoxyribose sugar is present in DNA structure. Next is bases. Next I am going to explain after the sugar. This is the topic base. There are two type of base, purines and pyrimidines. First is purines and second column is for pyrimidines. In DNA, all the 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 units are present. 2 purines unit are combined with 2 pyrimidines unit. In DNA structure, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine are present. But in RNA structure 1, 2, 3 and fourth one is uracil. In place of thymine, uracil is present in RNA. This is the second difference between RNA and DNA. Uracil is present at the place of thymine. Okay. See, in the next there is a third unit, phosphate unit. Means now the next topic is combination of these units, means sugar plus base plus phosphate unit. Now there are two different terms used in the combination of when sugar See in the structure 14.5, when base and sugar are combined together, it is called nucleoside. Nucleoside word I have used here. When phosphate in figure second, when phosphate, base and sugar is composed, all the three units are collectively known as nucleotides. Tides I have used here. Clear? Nucleoside means when two units are combined together, first is sugar and second is base. And nucleotides means when three units are combined together, base, sugar and phosphate unit. Now I will explain the double helix structure of DNA and RNA. First, you can see in the figure 14.6, sugar, base and phosphate unit. Means this is the combination which is shown in the figure: sugar, phosphate, sugar, phosphate, sugar, phosphate, base unit. When these units nucleotide are collectively combined together, this is known as polynucleotide. It is clear? When two structure like sugar, phosphate unit, sugar unit, phosphate unit, अब शुगर यूनिट से आपकी pyrimidine और purines और pyrimidine अटैच्ड हैं, it will be sugar, then phosphate unit, then sugar, it will be collectively known as, okay, this is the double helical structure. अब यहाँ पर जो मैंने स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ की है वो आपको सीधी सीधी दिखाई दे रही है, बट डीएनए शो द डबल हेलिक्स स्ट्रक्चर. जिस तरह से मीन्स प्लेटेड स्ट्रक्चर होती है इसकी, it is shown through the defect when in sugar it is the combination of, in the sugar it is the combination of 3 degree and 5 degree carbon. Means sugar, ribose sugar में वन साइड ये 3 डिग्री कार्बन से, थर्ड कार्बन से अटैच होगा और अनदर कंडीशन में ये 5th कार्बन से अटैच होता है. दैट इज़ द रीजन ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ double helical structure. Okay, what is the biological function of DNA and RNA? The biological function of biological importance of DNA, that DNA is used in the identification of any body, any living thing, that like fingerprint, that is there are no two person which have the same fingerprints. Same in the condition of DNA, there are no two person which have the same DNA at all the condition. I have mentioned the condition at all the condition. Okay, okay student, in this video we have completed or covered up all the topics belong to the biomolecule. In next video we will meet with next topic. Okay student, have a nice day.